Hello everyone. So since the past few months, audio discussion room based applications have been on the rise. Now the first application to initiate this huge impact was Clubhouse. After Clubhouse, Twitter came up with Twitter Spaces, and now Spotify has released its own version of audio room discussion based application which is known as Spotify Greenroom. Now this is exactly the application which I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about this application. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. My name is Samyan Sawant. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so before we begin, I'm going to tell you a little fact. Spotify Greenroom was previously Locker Room, which was created by Betty Labs, but it was then acquired by Spotify in March 2021. And after acquiring it, they revamped the application, they added various new features and then released it as Spotify Greenroom. So yeah, that was the fact. Now let's get started with how to use the application. Now first of all, the link to download the application is in the description. You can go right ahead. Now once you have downloaded the application, you'll see a screen something like this. Now if you want to enter the application, you'll have to sign in. If you already have a Spotify account, you can sign in with that account or create a new one. After signing in, you'll have to enter a few personal details like your real name, birth date, profile picture, and after that you'll have to fill in your preferences. Now the preferences are the topics which you'll be interested in to discuss about on this application. So just fill out that and hit save and you'll be good to go. Now that was the basic setup. Once you're done with it, you will come directly to the dashboard of the application. Now once you come to the dashboard, you'll see a screen full of groups which are live, which are discussing various kinds of topics. You can then join whichever group you like and just go ahead with the discussion, listen to it, or just speak by pressing on tap to speak. Another thing that you'll see on the dashboard is the calendar icon on the top right. Once you hit that icon, you'll see all the upcoming rooms. There you'll see all the rooms that have been scheduled either for that present day or for the future. You can also share the links of these rooms or add them to your personal calendar. And the last and one of the most important things on the dashboard is the new room button. Once you click on that button, first of all you will have to enter the name of the room, which is the topic that you're going to discuss. Next will be the name of the podcast. Now if you don't have any name, no problem, you can just go right ahead, it is optional. After that you'll have to select the category of the groups that will be interested in listening to this discussion. And finally, one of the most unique and important features of this application is saving the audio of the podcast or discussion. All you have to do is enter an email address of your choice and they'll send the audio file to that particular email address after the podcast or discussion is done. Alright, so that was it for the dashboard. After that you have the search bar where you can search for different groups and people. Next comes the notification bar where you can see all the notifications about who followed you, your upcoming events and whatnot. And finally, the profile bar. Here you can change the settings, you can change your profile picture, bio and all the personal details and the preferences. So yeah, that's it. That is the application. Also another thing, Spotify has created a fund for all the creators on Greenroom. And they've also created a website which looks something like this. So the creators on Spotify Greenroom are gonna get rewarded for the communities that they create and the experiences they give on the platform. The website also has various frequently asked questions about this, so if you want to read them, go right ahead, the link is in the description. Now, to discuss the advantages and disadvantages, the advantages are that first off, it is free for all. But it is also the disadvantage because Clubhouse was a very exclusive application. All the hype of Clubhouse was because of the exclusiveness that only if you have the invite, you can enter the application or not. So that's what made it kind of a cool thing for everyone. But being free for all is also an advantage for the application because those who are not being able to get the invite for Clubhouse can enter Spotify Greenroom. And obviously everyone will enter Spotify Greenroom because it's Spotify. So that's the first advantage, and the second advantage is obviously the most unique feature, that is you can save the audio of the podcast or discussion. Now this feature is very beneficial for the creators who post podcasts. They simply have to download the audio file, edit it and upload it. So yeah, that's the second advantage, and that's basically it. That's it for the video, guys. Now tell me in the comments what you think about this application. Do you think that Spotify Greenroom will be a real competition for Clubhouse? Now according to me it will be, because just like I said, even though if it's not exclusive, it is free for all. So those who are not able to get into Clubhouse will come here. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video. It really helps me with the algorithm. Share this with your friends so they can also use this awesome new application. and consider subscribing to the channel. How to tech videos, tech reviews, coding, gaming, vlogging is all what that goes on this channel. So if that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button. And finally, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Spotify and GitHub. All the links are given in the description below. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.